Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose about phone and click on device name. After that you can type in wherever you wish to. I would go with maybe moon. And when you're ready, save your changes by clicking on OK. Now you need to select OK in this pop-up as well, and as you can see after that, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!